Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Venus, rules Taurus, Libra, exaltation Pisces, detriment Aries, fall Scorpio, responsible, love, sex, married, property, GIF, mirror of vanity of the goddess Venus, represents, social urge, sense of value, anatomy, throat, chin, cheeks, sense of taste, kidneys, ovaries, internal reproductive organs, venous blood circulation, sensory organs of skin. Keyword, affection. General, never located more than 46 degrees distant from the Sun. Venus is the planet of love. In early times it was called the lesser benefit. Rules art, culture, aesthetics, possessions, partners, beauty, charm, good taste, sentimentality, sweets and sugar, color, harmony, poetry, paintings, jewelry, singing, drama and music. Venus's action is gentle and harmonious. Governs emotional contacts, tenderness, moral character, marriage and unions of all kinds. Also, sociability, disposition, luxuries, pleasure and appreciation. Venus is the planet of love and sensuality, not sex. Where you find Venus in the chart shows what you really enjoy. Fifth house, love given. It shows you're the love I give. Sports, children, creativity, amusements, love that you give, love affairs, speculations, romance. Natural sign is Leo. Natural ruler is Sun. Keyword is creativity. Fifth house is a house of life and fire. Quality is succeedent house. General. The fifth house shows children, love, romance, pleasures, fun, holidays, vacations, games, speculations, hobbies and a vocation. It includes your emotional attitude and the love you give. It shows your business, as well as sports shops, unique and creative. It also indicates the ability to dramatic, literary or artistic. The fifth house shows publishing, politics, fine arts, social issues, pregnancy and children's education. Any group you belong to in terms of fun, bowling league, sewing circle, bridging club, etc., is described by this house. Venus in the fifth house. When the planet Venus is placed in the fifth house of your natal chart, relationships with children are very important. You have a gift to enjoy life's pleasurable pastimes, possessing an almost childlike sense of dread that the world has to offer in a fun and beautiful way. You enjoy socializing and value outings to art galleries, theaters, concerts and ballet performances. Children, especially, warm to your attractive nature somehow sense a kindred spirit. As a result, you will likely be surrounded by children for the rest of your life, yours or someone else's. Depending on other influences in your natal chart, you will probably enjoy a successful union, leading to beautiful children. You like their company, encourage their talents and provide them with lots of cherished childhood memories. Your children aren't the only ones gifted with art or music. It is also possible that you have a creative talent, which you love for fun or as a career. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.